Namaste, welcome to the online class. Well, my dear friend, today I am going to teach you the lesson, the leftover lesson, that is hundred dresses. So take out and read. Hundred dresses. The 100 dresses. Well, my dear friend, yesterday we discussed that how Wanda Podolsky was insulted and irritated by her friend Peggy and Maddie. That is a true account. The present story is a true account. A true account of the author that he experienced. Here you see. So we were in this paragraph. Wanda did not have any friend. She came to school alone and went home alone. She always wore faded blue dress that did not hang the right. It was clean. It was clean. She always wore a faded blue dress. Okay? She always wore a faded blue dress. Here the narrator has, as she was a poor girl, so she had a few dresses. Among those, the best one was the faded blue dress that she used to put every day, or wore a faded blue dress every day. She did not have any friends, but a lot of girls talked to her. Number one, she didn't have any friends. But a lot of girls talk to her. Here you see. Here you see. These are the features. She did not have any friends. You understand? Any friend. But a lot of girls talk to her. Why a lot of girls used to talk to her? a lot of a girl used to talk to her because she was different from other. The school, the American school where she was reading, was a different kind of a school, where only mostly American girl student used to read. And Wanda Petrowski was a Polish girl. So, here you see, Wanda, Peggy would say a most courteous manner. She were talking to Miss Mason. She did say, giving her friends a nudge. How many days did you say? How many days did you say you had hanging up in your closet? This is the way they make a fun of her. They often ask, what ask? That how many dresses? How many dresses? How many dresses? How many dresses did you say you had? Hanging up in your closet. In your closet. Here you see. Here you see the question. She was often asked this question by his friend Maggie and Paddy. A lot of a girl, they only ask this question, that how many dresses did you say you had hanging in your closet? This is the funniest remark that they often asked. A 100 dresses. What was her answer? 100 dresses. A hundred. Here you see. In order to avoid her friend, she used to answer that she had 100 dresses. Whenever she had asked that how many dresses you had hanging up in your closet, then she says 100 dresses. 100? Exclaimed all the little girls. Incredulously. Please note down the word. Incredulously. incredulously, unwillingness to believe, willingness to believe. This is the meaning. Please note down. They were unwilling to believe. Unbelievable. When she said that she had 100 dresses, it was incredulous, unbelievable. And little one would stop playing hopscotch and listen. Yeah, 100 dresses all lined up, said Vanda. Then her thin lips drew together in silence. What are they like? All alike, I bet, said Peggy. Yeah, all silk, all colors. What she said? All silk, all color. Velvet too? Yeah, velvet too. So here you see the conversation. What they are like. They are like. What they are like. All silk. All silk. Yeah, all silk. All color. All colors. Velvet. Velvet. Velvet too. So here you see how smartly Vanda is answering about when the children started asking. In fact, she was teasing. It was a kind of prank they used to do, that they often asked that how many dresses she had. She only said that she had 100 dresses. 100? Well, yes. What they are like? All silk. What is your answer? Yes. Yeah. All silk. All color. Velvet too. Velvet too. So here you can see that how smartly Vanda is answering and trying to get rid of now next. All lined up in my closet. They had let her go. And then before she had gone very far, they could not help bursting into the shriek of firm laughter. Answering this, Vanda gone very far, and girls started laughing at her. 100 days, obviously. The only dress Vanda had was the blue one. She wore every day. So, why did she say she had 100 days? What a story. So here is the narrator asked a question. Here you see. Here you see very poor attendance. Very poor attendance. Today, people have requested me that I won't able to attend my classes. And that is why I have arranged your classes on Zoom. Today, in Zoom also the same problem. Then the problem is with you only. App is not having any problem. What a poor thing it is. This is a way to start. Now, so here you see. I have a Zoom also. What is it? Only 9 students. This is very poor. Only 9. What a poor thing it is. 9 students. This poor in attendance. What a poor thing it is. सिर्फ 9 लोग ऐसा पुअर अटेंडेंस होता है. Only 9 people. I'm really shocked. 9 people only. Let us see. I am coming. End the meeting for. Please join the snapper. Please join a snapper. बहुत पुअर, गंदा तुम लोगों का काम. Join a snapper. So here you see that what she said. Obviously, the only dress Vanda had the blue one. So why did she say she had it? What a story. The only dress Vanda had was the blue. The only dress Vanda had was the blue. She wore every day. Every day. So, why did she say had 100? What a story. Here you see. So here you see that the only dress Wanda had was the blue one. She wore every day. So why did she had a story? How many shoes she had to have? 60 pair, all lined up in my closet. Oh no, every pair is a different. All colors, all lined up. Peggy, who thought of this game, and Maddie, her friend, were always the last to leave. This very game was thought of Peggy. In fact, Peggy has thought about all the game that they are playing. The game that they are playing. The game of what? Here you the story. What a story. The story is about 100 dress. In fact, there was no 100 dress. But in order to come out of nonsenseness, she was always teased and irritated by her friends, particularly Peggy and Maddie. Though Wanda don't have any friends, but a lot of girls used to talk to her. What they talk about? They talk about her dress. Then she have minted a story of 100 dress. There was no 100 dress. It was her brainchild. Why? Why she tell a lie? She tells a lie because she wants to get rid of her friends. She wants to overcome the shame. Body shame. Body shame. So कहते हैं body shame. If somebody is commenting upon your dress and look, that is called body shame. A new word, please note down, body shame. If somebody is commenting upon your look, on your dress, that is your body shame. So, to overcome the body shame, she minted a story of a 100 dress. There was no 100 dress. And it was Peggy who had thought of this game. And Maddie, inseparable friend, were always the last to leave. Finally, Wanda would move up the street, her eyes dull and mouth closes. Hitch had left so every now and then. She had finished the walk to the school alone. And this is way, every day, she left the school. Here, my dear friend, you have seen that how Wanda Potansky was being insulted. Dear friend, poverty is not a sin. You should not insult your friends. Friendship is something different, and it should not be judged on the basis of your caste, creed, religion, richness and poverty. A friend is friend, that's all. And in friendship, no religion, no caste, no money should come. If all these things are come, then there is no friendship. So here you see, Now come to the next paragraph. Peggy was not really cruel girl. Now, Peggy was not a really cruel girl. Why Peggy was called a cruel girl? Peggy was called a cruel girl because she used to tease. Peggy was called what happened? Hello. Aman Krishna, any problem?
No, sir.
Then what is happening? Why so less student?
There is a problem for connecting classes from Snap Homework.
What is wrong with happening in the Snap Homework?
The Snap Homework of English class will be not, server is not.
और सारे क्लासेस तो हो रहे हैं ना जी.
Yes, sir, but English classes में जो server हो रहा है तो सर क्लास ज्वाइन जब कर रहे हैं तो सर लिख रहा है it cannot connect the class.
तो जूम से भी तो किया तो मैंने बच्चों दोनों तरफ से किया. तो जूम में बच्चे नहीं आए तो फिर हमको इसमें आया मैं लौट कर. दो क्लास हमको अरेंज करना पड़ा. जूम में भी तो बच्चे नहीं आए. यस,
सर वो सब हमारा है सर नहीं आने का.
ये तो गंदी बात है यार. ये तो बहुत ही पुअर कंसर्न है ना.
क्या कर सकते हैं जब उसके लिए वो लोग हम क्या
व्हाट हैपेंड?
हमारा फिर जब वो लोग क्लास करना नहीं चाहते तो हम और आप क्या कर सकते हैं.
ये 4-5 बच्चा क्या क्लास होगा यार इस तरह से. तो किस तरह से क्या पढ़ाई होगी. वेरी पुअर. टुडे आई विल टॉक. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? टेल मी.
जो
कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम. ओके, आई विल डिस्कस.
जब स्नैप होमवर्क पे सब ज्वाइन क्लास कर रहे हैं क्लास को तो सर कैन नॉट नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम लिख रहा है सर.
ओके ओके
स्क्रीन में भी भेजा सर ग्रुप में.
okay. So Peggy was not a cruel girl. She protected the small children from bullies, and she cared for her hours. If she shone an animal, if anybody has said her, don't you think that's a cruel way to treat the Wanda? In fact, Wanda was not treated cruelly. Rather than they were trying to make fun of her. Don't you think that it was a cruel way to treat Wanda? Should have been very surprised. Cruel? Why? Why did the girl say she had a 100 dress? So, Peggy was not a cruel girl. Was not a cruel girl. Was not really a cruel girl. Do you agree? Do you agree that she was not really a cruel girl? Yes? Dear friend, Aman Krishna, do you agree that Peggy was not a cruel girl? Yes, answer me. How? Here it is answer. That no, Peggy was not really a cruel girl. She protected small children from bullies. And if anybody had said to her that, is it not a cruel way to treat Venda? She was surprised. Cruel? She was not in opinion that she was treating Venda Potansky with cruelly. She was only opinion that why did the girl say she had 100 dress? Anybody could tell that she was a lie. Why did she want to lie?
Venda because Venda lied about
Yes.
having 100 dress unusually name.
Yes, that's very good. That's very good. That's very good. So this is what? This is what?